Hello viewers, this is Showman from Oil and Gas Field Quality Control. Let us enrich our knowledge with some theoretical contents about the project quality management, how it is being developed, what is the idea or resources behind it. This channel I basically made for the quality control inspectors and engineers. So we must enrich our knowledge with this basic know-how. Most of the companies nowadays are complied with ISO 9001 to have a systematic approach to the quality control. We will compare the contents of ISO 9000 today in this video, and there will be a couple of more videos where we will be little bit go in detail. Project quality management basically comes from the idea PDCA, Plan, Do, Check, Act, which is mentioned in the ISO 9001. Here you can see the contents of ISO 9001. We can see there are 10 clauses. The first one is scope, second one is the normative references, terms and definitions. So this you can see some information and some kind of abbreviations, their descriptions. This is basically the introduction of the standard and why we are using this standard, where it is applicable. All these informations you will get from these three sections. And then fourth is coming to the organization, context of the organization, where you can understand the organization, their purpose, their scope, the needs and expectations of the interested parties. It can be the customer, it can be the suppliers, it can be anyone concerned with logistics or anything. Determining the scope of quality management system and its processes. So we have started the introduction of quality management system from clause 4. Then comes the leadership and commitment. So this is the management behind a company, you can say. They decide the quality policy and the objectives of a company. When the objectives and policies are decided, then company comes to the planning section. In the planning section, how to give service to the customer or how to manage a project, it depends on the purpose of the company or organization. We are going to imply this ISO 9001. The actions and all the lesson learned, which is termed as risk at this moment, and opportunities. We should have a list of risk and opportunities, which is termed as risk and opportunities registers, from where we will apply all the lesson learned, so we will not repeat the same mistake we did previously. Quality objectives are finalized in this planning section, and also how to achieve them. And then planning of changes, any kind of failure or any kind of improvement required in the process is coming under the changes on the planning. So later on it can be required. So we have to also discuss how to reflect these changes in the planning, how to submit these changes, and how to get approval, and from where to get this approval. Of course, all the changes is for improving the process or improving the system. Without the support, the plans cannot be achieved. So the clause 7 is support. So supports discuss the infrastructure. Here you can discuss the logistics. Here you can discuss the manpower, equipment, whatever, the knowledge base, training. Without the knowledge, the employees cannot perform any activities successfully. Monitoring and measuring resources, let's say quality tools. All these type of things will be discussed in the support section. You can see the competence, awareness, and communications, documented information are part of this clause 7. Then the final one is the execution of the work. So it is called operation. So operational planning and control all are here. Means there is also a planning section. During the work we have day-to-day planning or week basis planning. So this micromanagement of day-by-day activity is being discussed over clause number 8 in the operation section here. Section 9 is for performance evaluation, which is basically the quality control job. Here the monitoring, measurement and analysis and evaluation of all the work done is being monitored and measured, and measurable option, a score will come that how the organization is doing. Customer satisfaction feedback and analysis of the evaluation. In this section, the top management review, the auditing, the quality management system, all are being discussed in section 9. And the final clause is very important actually. It is for improvement. Without continuous improvement, any organization cannot proceed further or make it bigger or get any future kind of job or service offers from their clients. So continual improvement can be done with the customer feedback or daily monitoring from the quality control department or quality assurance department from the organizations, and all the lesson learned, which can be positive or negative, can be risk, can be opportunities for the next assignment for the organizations, which are being noted during the project execution, during the project planning, and being implemented for the next project planning activity. So we have discussed the index of ISO 9001.
So guys, this is the end of our video. If you like the way of my teaching, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. And also please share my channel to your friends and known. Signing off, Showman. Thank you.